In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Brevo. Whether you're gathering feedback or building your email list, forms can be an essential tool for engaging with your audience. Let's get right into it by exploring how you can create these forms in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Brevo's official website. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to form creation, and you'll find it's an easy and accessible way to manage your contacts. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already a member, simply enter your login details. If you're not signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and straightforward. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a navigation menu with a variety of options. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where you'll manage your subscribers and, crucially, where you'll be creating your forms. Once you're in the Contacts section, click on Forms. This will bring up a new page where all the magic happens. Next up, you'll want to click on the Create a Subscription Form button. This is your entry point to crafting your own personalized form. At this stage, it's crucial to assign a clear and recognizable name to your form. Something like Newsletter Sign-up, Website works well because it's both descriptive and easy to identify later. After you've named your form, click Create Form to start the design process. Brevo makes designing your form a breeze with its user-friendly drag-and-drop form builder. This feature allows you to add various elements such as text blocks, input fields for email addresses and names, and even buttons. You can customize these elements to fit your needs, making sure your form is both aesthetically pleasing and functional for your audience. With your design in place, you'll want to move on to configuring the form settings. This step includes assigning a list to your form, which tells Brevo where to store your gathered contacts. Then add your confirmation messages. These are the notes sent to users once they successfully fill out your form, offering a polite thank you or further instructions. Once everything is set up, you can choose to either obtain the HTML code to embed your form on your website or generate a direct link. This link is perfect if you're planning to share the form on social media or send it out via email. Finally, don't forget to click the Create Folder button. This helps keep your forms organized, especially as you create more over time. And that about wraps it up. You now have a fully functional form in Brevo that's ready to capture valuable data and help build your audience engagement effortlessly.